Hello, let me introduce RG-271 Suction Disassembly jig. So before using this jig, please put the smartphone and battery in the RG-202 mobile dryer for heating about 5 minutes at 80 setting temperature. After then, you unfold the upper frame, suction frame, and then like this, and place the phone whose back cover face upward, especially camera side is left apart, and do not fasten the screw. Also, you can pull this lever to release the lower frame, and as you see, there is groove to fix the phone body. So let us presume the back cover face over, then you fold the upper frame, and at this time, although I am using cell phone to shoot this movie, you have to use both hands. For example, one hand you from the bottom of a smartphone you push upward for better contact to suction cup, and with the other hands raise the lever of a suction cup, and for the other suction cup same, with one hand let the smartphone push upward for better contact to suction cup, and with the other hand you raise the level of suction cups. After then you turn the knob, and from this side you can see how much the knob turned. If you turn the knob like this, you can see the side. Yeah, so if the inside double sided sticky tape got the load of suction, it will make sound. Then you turn, you stop, turn the knob, you use ethanol to pour to the space between back cover and phone body. You go around pouring ethanol by using the ethanol container whose end tip is sharp and long. So after you pour the ethanol, you turn again, and you pour the ethanol and turn again, and you pour the ethanol, you turn the knob, and if you find the space is enough, then you pull the lever and release the phone body, and you unfold the upper frame. Then the two suction cups will hold the sucked up back cover and phone body. At this time, by using RG-512 tool, you push it between suction cup and back cover, then the back cover and phone body will be released from the jig. And at this way, you take the back cover and phone body, you carefully use RG-512 to go around. Careful not to damage the back cover.